My nan, her name was Emma, but everyone in the north knew her as Mete. She wouldn't let anyone call her Whaia or Kuia or anything like that. To everyone, even babies, she was just Mete, which means mate. And yeah, no Ngāpuhi, no Ngātihine, yeah. She raised me, so she was my role model, well she still is, my pillar of strength, my inspiration. She shaped who I am today. That's why we received our moko kauai together, and my moko kauai represents her because she is the reason I have a voice, and she's the one that taught me how to use my voice in my reo Māori as well. Our kaiako is a kuia from Te Tai Tokerau, from Ngāpuhi. She's constantly making us laugh, and when she's making us laugh and when she's teaching us, she reminds me so much of my nan. For me, I feel like it means that I'm on the right path. Although she's not here physically, she's definitely here wairua. Also that I'm carrying on her legacy. Everything that she poured into me, I carry with purpose, and I am not letting her knowledge and teachings go to waste. Before she passed away, I always feared that day, my whole life. Once she passed away, of course, I did feel that deep grief, and I still do because that's the price of love. But it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. I actually feel more kaha when I walk this earth now, because I constantly feel like she's there. I always hear her voice and her laugh, and I see her smile, and I think about everything she's been through, and if she could get through whatever she went through and still come out and bubbly and strong, then so can I.